Hey guys, today I am doing a review of Zoe. This is her by UniWigs. She is a Remy human hair wig, hand-tied silk top, and she has adjustable straps. I'll go ahead and take it off and show you in a second. But she has this really nice, like medium blonde, rooted, with bangs. This type of bang, I think for people that have different size heads, the bangs would probably fit you really nicely. I'll go ahead and show you the inside now. So this is not a lace wig at all. This one has, this is the, the silk top. So you can see like that. It has ear tabs, adjustable ear tabs, and it has those adjustable straps in the back. So you can see if you pull the bangs up, there's no lace there. She's super easy to put on. I just kind of hold the ear tabs, pull it forward to where I want it, and adjust it. You never really want to pull on the front, even without the lace top, because you can pull some of those hairs out. So you really want to make sure you're pulling from the ear tabs to adjust and get where you want to be. I love taking my curling iron or my flat iron and just making the bangs smooth and flip to one side or the other. Overall, I would say this cap is really comfortable for me. I don't love lace front caps where I have to put adhesive and glue them down. I'm just not that kind of person. I like easy, throw it on and go. So for me, this has been like really fun to wear, and I love the fact that it has bangs because none of my other wigs really do. So super fun to switch it up every now and then. I love that it's rooted so that I can pretend I'm a blonde. So if you're looking for something like this, it is Remy human hair, which means you can use heat products on it and human hair products on it. And she's been really easy to style. So check it out, UniWigs Zoe.